First off, great job to everybody last week who submitted homework for their child. You guys did a great job. On my end, it seemed like the portfolios were really easy to run. And so I hope they were easy for you guys as well. So we will continue on with that method. So this week, our letter is letter B. And B makes the sound B, B, B. And our little poem for capital B is you make a tall straight back, and then you add a belly on the top and a belly on the bottom. And then lowercase b is a bat and then a ball. So you can sit down with your child and they can pick an option to practice capital B, an option to practice lowercase b, or if they want to practice capital and lowercase all together at one time, that's just fine too. If they have an activity that they love that's not one of the options, that's okay too. I'm up for any way they want to practice that letter of the week at home with you guys. Take a picture of your child doing that or a video and then add it to your child's dojo portfolio. And then your child will get a color in their letter box for letter B. So the first option is you can build a road, a B road, and then they can drive a vehicle on it, or maybe they want to walk their toy people or Barbies around it. You can use tape, you could use yarn. If you're outside, you can use chalk. Whatever you'd like to use, just build a B road, and then they can walk on it, drive their cars on it. Next option would be sticker bees. So what you do is you just take a piece of paper, you can write a capital B or a lowercase b on the paper, and they just cover it with stickers. We've done this activity once in the classroom and they really liked it. And then another option is build B with candy, or you can use cereal. Just lay it out on the counter. Or two, if it helps them, you can lay out a piece of paper, make that capital B, lowercase b, and they can go right on top of it. And then the last option is always they can finish their handwriting page. Also, when they're practicing, just help them remember that B makes it sound B, B. You can ask them this. You can have them just say it while they're making it. And that's all I have.